This week is off to a super duper awesomely exciting start because I'm here at our new house. What? You say, Sarah, a new house? Did you need a new house? Well, Alex and I had an idea. We wanted to see if we could find an affordable house on a great lot that we could fix up and turn into a rental property. So I went online shopping, which is my absolute favorite hobby, and I found this little gem. It's on a dirt road, so it doesn't have much traffic. It's on 1.8 acres. It has forest around it. We snuck in, we scooped this property. We got a great price point. We got a quick close, and today's the day that it's ours. So come on, let's take a look. I have the keys to the kingdom. I don't actually have the keys. Apparently the keys are inside, but I have the code to the kingdom. Step right in. It's day one of our new adventure.
We've got a ranch bungalow, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Right now, it's a funky 80s modern, but we're gonna make it 2020 awesome.
We've got a little mudroom here. This is fun. We've got good ceiling height. I think we could have great storage here. Key things we're gonna change. We've got some honey-colored walls. We've got popcorn ceilings. We have a wacky set of doors here beside some very interesting stairs, a slightly dated slate floor, and this is the beginning of the flooring buffet. This is a theme you're gonna see throughout the house. Multiple flooring solutions all combined together. So look at this now and just dream about what it could be.
Let's get started in the kitchen.
What do you think? Isn't this awesome?
Morning.
Morning. Demo day.
What do you think of the new house?
Nice project.
I love it.
So we're gonna do a little room by room tour here.
What makes you want to buy a house? What makes me want to buy a house is good bones.
Things seem to be in generally very good shape.
All the fundamentals, all the systems, the roof, the windows, everything, it's in good shape.
Nice.
The second I walked in and saw this house, I was smiling from ear to ear because this is a house that just feels cheery and happy and funky and cool. It's not serious. This is a fun house and I want to make it super fun.
But this house looks so cute.
This is a nice, big, open concept kitchen with a little dining area here. It opens onto this sweet living room down below. One of my absolute favorite features in the entire property is, check it out, look at these clear story windows all the way up here. So the light filters in. We're in the country here. We are on 1.8 acres, so it's a small property for the country, but check it out. Look at the views. Surrounded by forest, big yard to play in. It's got an existing deck. It's got a hot tub that apparently works, which I have no plans of getting in, but I think this property is so charming. Some kitchens are tricky to lay out because they're cramped and they're tight. This kitchen, I can't wait to come up with a new layout for because look at what it has going for it. Right now, it's got the kitchen with an eat-in area, then there's this wall, and presumably what I'm guessing is the dining room. So you know what I'm instantly thinking. This wall. Do we really need this wall?
Quick question. Would it be fair to say that you guys like demo?
Yeah.
So fun.
Whoa. Guys, you're getting ahead of me. I've still got to talk about the plan.
What if we had this big space that continued all the way back here? Here I am, way back here to the kitchen. Isn't this awesome? You're probably wondering, Sarah, why are you so excited about this house? Because it's so rare to find a house at a great price point that is also in really great condition. I'm telling you guys, I do not think this is the money pit.
But a lot of the windows are new, which is nice.
Right now, we have this railing going down to the sunken living room. Sunken living room here. One of the best parts about this house is this house was built in 1989. Oh, 1989. Remember 1989? We've got a wood-burning fireplace. We've got this funky, sunken living room. It's not massive, but I think that the overall combined space of the living area is sweet. If you love open plan living, this is the kind of house you want to be in. Now, we've got a lot of knotty pine, but what's great about this is these are solid pine boards. And you know what I'm thinking?
Okay, predictions, people. How many natural or wood-colored things that are here now are going to still be here when we're done?
0.
This one, I would right off the hop say, keep painting.
Oh.
Paint it.
Okay.
Adam's totally in the keep
I like
category.
it. I like that.
Yeah,
I think like
No.
That'll change.
Okay.
You guys should weigh in on this one too. Would you or wouldn't you?
Fresh coat of paint, and this place is gonna shine. It's gonna sparkle. It's gonna be contemporary and cool and new. You know what I'm thinking here? I'm thinking we could replace this existing railing with glass, something that creates unobstructed sight lines. We're gonna get rid of the broadloom. We're gonna replace it with some hardwood floor. We definitely need to have a conversation about this fireplace because it's looking a little bit Fred Flintstone to me.
I can almost 100% guarantee this is gonna go.
Here's something that's kind of puzzling me. This is, I guess, the original main door. But we also have on the exact same plane on the front of the house, the side door, the door I just came in. So I'm wondering, why do we need 2 doors at the front of the house? And I can't help but think that we could make better use of this space as something different.
Knocking out a wall is very easy. Framing another wall is very easy.
These look aligned too, so that works.
This door can come out and we could put like board and batten or something on the front.
All right, what else? Well, the tour continues. This way, please.
Oh, who's that guy?
Who's that guy?
What? How did he get in here?
What do you think of this house? Hey, that guy, what do you think?
I did a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. So this bathroom's very brown, but again, good size. We've got a tub shower combo. We've got these diagonal pine walls. We've got a 48-inch vanity toilet. Right now, everything is in a good spot. You got everything you need. I think this needs just a fix up. We got a skylight. You're probably wondering, what are you thinking design-wise, Sarah? I'm thinking contemporary. I'm thinking fresh. I'm thinking make the most of every dollar. If it doesn't need to be done, we're not gonna do it. But if it could benefit from a refresh, we're gonna do it. Here we have linen closet. Here we have a bedroom. So this room's a good size, basic. It's got a good closet. It's got a hardwood floor, nice big window, and a popcorn ceiling.
Is it hard to change a popcorn ceiling?
If it hasn't been painted, you can easily scrape it. If it's been painted, so that you can easily scrape it.
That's what I like to hear.
Here's bedroom number 2. Now, I can't make this bedroom any bigger. It is a petite bedroom, but I think when it comes to a rental property, beds are key. Being able to sleep lots of people is key because we are close to a ski area here. So I think I can probably squeeze a double bed in here, make this room fitted and cozy and cute and fun. This is the principal bedroom. We've got room for a king-size bed. We have an intersection of a lot of different floors. So far we have an oak floor in the kitchen, maple in the dining room, and the last 2 bedrooms. This is a gray vinyl floor. We've got broadloom in the closet and another color of vinyl or ceramic in the bathroom. So let's just talk about priorities. We are gonna harmonize this. We need a cohesive, consistent flow through this house because it's gonna make it feel so much bigger and better. This room's nice. It's got a little deck.
I like that. That's nice to
Walk out.
Oh, a 3rd door on the front.
Yeah.
It's got nice windows. You're surrounded by light. It has a walk-in closet. It has an ensuite bathroom.
So what are you guys thinking in here? What would you do?
Well, the easiest thing would just keep everything else where it is and just make a double vanity here. Make a bigger vanity. It doesn't have to be double sink, but a full-length counter.
Nice. Clearly, Chris was paying attention back at the chalet.
Could we not make the vanity a little smaller, like a 48? Like if we did it that way, then there's lots of room here.
It's such a guy thing to ask.
Size matters for vanities.
We've got just over 1,600 square feet of living space on this upper level, and then we have a whole lot more downstairs. Another great living area down here with a fireplace, with a window that is at eye level. I think it is so smart if you're gonna have a basement space that the house is set in a way that it maximizes the views to outside, because now you are on the lower level, but you don't feel like you are below ground.
I love the basement. The huge windows, it's nice. You don't feel like you're in a basement.
The sconces, they're gonna get a thumbs down, as does the paint color, the carpet, the boob light.
Yes, that is a technical term.
But look over here, how fun is this? A wet bar.
Little rough, run down.
It's not the best looking, but it's a
Color
bar.
is like,
This is renovation light. This is one of those renovations that is going to be easy peasy to tackle. And this house has great storage. Storage cabinet here. Over here, right this way. Okay, this can be another bedroom. Currently, this is a bedroom / laundry room, but this is a great bedroom here. This will be a much greater bedroom once the laundry is no longer in it.
it's a big laundry room,
We're thinking that maybe the laundry shouldn't stay in here.
No,
but still in the basement.
Not sure. Where would you guys put it?
I would keep it.
I keep it down here.
So it's unanimous.
So the laundry stays in the basement, just not in the bedroom.
Another living area down here. Check this out. Should I turn the lights on? It's beautiful. The color of the walls combined with the lighting is really special.
These stairs bisect what would otherwise be an enormous room. It would be nice to open this up.
Elevator? No?
Maybe.
It definitely would be nice to do that.
What's the footage for a pool table?
Oh, now you're thinking with the bar over there.
I'd say we just have to talk to the Minister of Pool Table.
Well, the Minister of Pool Tables would certainly be pro pool table. I have a feeling the Department of Interiors, who overrules the Minister of Pool Tables, may disagree, but we shall see.
Now this bathroom is, whew. Okay, there's the bathroom here. Door swing needs to be addressed, but right now, what you can't see behind this door is there's a little pedestal sink, there is a shower, there's a toilet. So it's got everything you need. It just needs to get some pretty. So we're gonna add some pretty to this.
Maybe we could add some space.
All behind here and all behind here is all open space. It's all unfinished space. So you can knock out this way easily.
There's a crawl space under the sunken living room.
So then this is the backside of that bathroom.
It's not full height, but we may be able to capture some of that space for the bathroom.
This is one of the coolest things, I think. Oh. Talk about opportunity. This is calling out to be the ultimate mudroom because there's the garage. So you can come right on in and into the mudroom.
I think we got a lot to work with here.
I think Sarah would probably want some bench seats or something and hooks and all that, so you gotta think about that as well.
Let's talk storage. Let's talk hooks. Let's talk about easy solutions that are going to look dramatic, dynamic, stylish, and above all else, you know what I want to do? For every single thing I do in this project, you know what my goal is? I want affordable, I want inspirational, I want easy to accomplish, terrific solutions. So what do you think? You want to join me on my journey? This is going to be really fun. I want to get all of the work done on this property in, take a guess. How long do you think I'm going to set for myself as the goal for this property?
50 days!
50 days. I want to do this project in 50 days because I think it can be done. We're going to do a kitchen. We're going to do 3 bathrooms. We're going to renovate the entire interior of the house. We're going to fix things big and small. We are going to focus on affordable solutions and we are going to make it awesome. Join me. It's going to be a great adventure.
And if you subscribe, you won't miss a thing.